If you use your computer every day, learning a few keyboard shortcuts can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the most useful shortcuts you can start using right away, including copy, paste, cut, undo, redo, and select all. These are simple, powerful, and once you memorize them, they can make your workflow much faster and smoother. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. All right, let's get into it. First up is Ctrl C, which means copy. This is one of the most common shortcuts you'll ever use. If you want to copy text, an image, or a file, just select what you need and press Ctrl C. Nothing disappears from the original location, and the content is saved to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Next is Ctrl V, which means paste. After copying something with Ctrl C, move your cursor or select the place where you want that content to go. Then press Ctrl V. This instantly inserts whatever you copied. It works for text, images, folders, and more, depending on the app you're using. Now let's look at Ctrl X, which means cut. This is similar to copy, but with one big difference. It removes the selected item from its original location and places it on your clipboard. So if you want to move text or files from one place to another, select the item and press Ctrl X, then go to the new location and paste it with Ctrl E. Another extremely useful shortcut is Ctrl Z, which means undo. If you make a mistake, delete something by accident, or change something you didn't mean to, Ctrl Z can save you. It reverses your last action, and in many programs, you can press it multiple times to step back through several actions. If you undo something and then realize you actually wanted it back, use Ctrl Y for redo. This brings back the action you just undid. It's a great shortcut when you're experimenting or fixing content and want a fast way to move forward again. Finally, there's Ctrl A, which means select all. This is incredibly handy when you want to highlight everything in a document, a text box, or even a folder view. Instead of dragging your mouse across everything, just press Ctrl A and all the content is selected instantly. From there, you can copy it, cut it, delete it, or format it. The best way to remember these shortcuts is to practice them a few times until they become automatic. Start by using Ctrl C and Ctrl V whenever you copy and paste. Then try Ctrl X when you want to move something instead of duplicating it. Use Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y whenever you need to undo and redo quickly. And keep Ctrl A in mind whenever you need to select everything at once. These shortcuts may seem basic, but they're some of the most powerful tools for saving time on your computer. Once you start using them regularly, you'll notice your work becomes faster, easier, and much less frustrating. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.